Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add ChatGPT in WhatsApp. As you all know, ChatGPT is currently available on web and it also has a dedicated app. But in order to get it on WhatsApp Messenger, you will need to open a browser and search for shmooz.ai. After that, you will be redirected to this type of web page. Now, Shmooz AI is a powerful AI companion for messaging, creating art, summarizing, and interacting with files. It is a great AI tool that is available to you at the ease of a touch. You won't need to go to a dedicated website to use it. You can utilize its powerful features while conversating with others anytime 24/7. It is a really intelligent AI tool that can analyze given files and answer your questions accurately. Shmooz AI is actually designed to learn and adapt to the user's preferences that will result in a much smoother and personalized experience. It also has some perks like image generation and interactions with files like PDFs that are not easy to find in a singular GPT model. Now, in order to start using it, get to the top of the website and there will be two options available. You can either use the web version or WhatsApp. So tap on the second option and your WhatsApp application will be launched. Here, tap on the Continue to Chat button at the bottom and the chat box will open up. Here, a pre-written message will be present at the bottom. Simply send it and you will receive a reply from the bot. Now, in order to start asking questions, simply type in whatever you want and give it a go. For the first question, I will type in "Write a YouTube video script about old cars" and then tap on the send button. After that, you will need to wait for a bit of seconds as the chatbot answers in a single message. There is no such displaying of live generation. It just generates the answer on its servers and then sends it to you. You can see that the script it has written is really good. It has all of the directions about scenes, camera movement, and obviously the script. It is a really great AI that is capable of feats similar to GPT-4. Now, I will ask another question. This time, I will type in "write lyrics for a rap song" and again tap on the send button. After you send the query, you will need to wait for a bit of time. This waiting time also depends upon your network speed and it may increase if the chatbot is busy. Again, you can see that the lyrics for a rap song are great and the length is also acceptable. Similarly, if you want to send or analyze a file using this AI, then you just need to tap on the paperclip icon and then send the document normally like you would send it to a friend. If you don't like typing, you can also try sending audio notes and then conversate like that. Note that this AI is not completely free, but it has a sort of a free trial, so it lets you use it for 20 questions. After that, you will need to buy a paid plan that is about $10, or you can just use it only when you urgently need it and keep the free credits saved. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.